Hi all, welcome to Die.3D Tech YouTube channel. In this today's video, we'll see how to make a drone using pixhawk flight controller. Okay, so for this drone build, I'm using this frame. Okay, so you can see here 4 arms. So on those arms, I'm using this motor. Okay, I'm using ready to sky motor. Okay, ready to sky motor I already mounted to save some time. So this frame contains 4 arms, so the arms will be assembled like this. So this plate is the top one, so it will be placed like this, and bottom will be placed like this. Okay, like this, like that 4 arms will be assembled, so that frame will be ready. And here you can see I'm using this power distribution board, Matic power distribution board, same one I'm using in my previous drone builds. And I'm using 4 ESCs, which are Emax Simon K 30 amps ESCs. I'm using 4. I already soldered to save some time on this. So yeah, this is a Matic power distribution board like this. Next, for this build I'm using 10 channel fly sky receiver, and for this build, as I mentioned earlier, I'm using this pixhawk and with GPS. Initially I will show you without GPS how to build. After that I will show you with GPS how, so that it will give you more information. Without GPS how to configure, with GPS how to configure. And this flight controller have one switch which already connected. Anyhow, I'll show you the connection, and buzzer also connected here. And along with that, you can see there is a power module for pixhawk. So what this will do is, this side will connect the battery and this side will connect to the power distribution board. This cable will go to the flight controller. So what this power module will do, it will read the battery voltage, that we can check it in the mission planner. Okay, so that battery related data we can get it through this module. That is the main use of this module. Without also we can power the pixhawk. Okay, so but we are using this. Okay, so now I will start assembling all the arms, then this frame will be ready. Now this frame is ready. Now we need to place this ESCs below. So I will be placing like this. Like this. Then I will connect these leads here, so we can change the direction later. Okay, so like this we have to attach, like you can connect this one here, right? Okay, so this I will glue it here so that it won't come down. So bottom portion will be battery. Okay, so I'll do that, then I'll be back. So now everything is ready. So I mounted all the ESCs here and power distribution board. Now we need to place the flight controller board here. So at present I don't have the vibration resistant stand here, so that's why what I'm doing is I'm placing this tape here, one piece here, one piece here, one piece. So on top I will place the flight controller board. So this will help to reduce the vibrations. Okay, it will dampen the vibrations, it won't reach the flight controller board. So one I'll here, one here, so like this I will be placing. Okay, so you can see here this arrow mark, that is the front of the, so I'm keeping this red color as a front, so I'll keep it like this. Okay, so I'll do that, then I'll be back. So now flight controller board is installed, you can see here. So on top it will be placed so that it will dampen the vibrations like this. Okay, so now I'll place buzzer and other here. You can see here. So this is the switch cable. So this we need to connect here. Okay, I'll just rotate for you. So this switch will be like this. Okay, this is the switch I connected. Next to buzzer I will be going here. Okay, so this is the switch and buzzer. Okay, so now we need to connect our receiver. So in that receiver I'm using the ppm, this pin. So you can use this cable. Yeah, like that. Okay, so you can check it in your receiver where this ppm. Okay, so from radio you need to give a connection here. So you connect this one here, make sure signal is on top. So this is the ppm signal. Other side, see, black should be coming down. So you can see flight controller, you can see RC, right? So see, the black should be top, that means negative. Okay, bottom will be the signal. So you need to connect in that way. Okay, so just connect like this. So now we need to install Mission Planner. So go to Google and search Mission Planner download. So the first website you can see there, just open it and click here and download the software and install, so that we can program. Okay, so now we need to connect the flight controller to computer using this USB port. This side you can see here, this side. Okay, so once it is connected and detected, you can see this light will be blinking. Okay, I'll show you again one more time. So yes, this is the cable you need to connect. Okay, so now it's connected. You can see the light is blinking. Yeah, it's connected. So now you need to click on the connect. Yeah, so you can see here it is just it is reacting. So before that, what we can do, we can go to setup. There you can install the firmware. So if you want to install the firmware, you need to disconnect here and just click on this. Like this it will come. So in that you can select which platform you are using, pixhawk. So you can select that and upload firmware so that it will upload. I already uploaded, so that's why I'm not doing again. So now again just connect this. Connect this. Now you can come to this mandatory hardware in that frame type. So we are using X, so you can select this and come to here accelerometer calibration. So click on this calibrate accelerometer. So put this one on a flat surface, then just now it is asking put it level left side. So I'm just moving this side. Like this. Right side, then nose down. Yes, this. Nose up. So back. Calibration successful. Now you can click on the compass. Okay, so we need to calibrate the compass now. Just enable this and click on start. So now you need to rotate this in all axes so that the green bar will be full. Till that you need to keep on rotating this in all axes. Okay, all axes you need to rotate. So now calibration is completed. Say okay and reboot. Okay, so now click on connect. So now we need to calibrate the radio. Now you can go to this radio tab and you can switch on this. Okay, so see, all it is activating. Just you need to click on this calibrate radio. Yes, you need to move it in all axes like this. You need to move it in all axes. Okay, so we need to configure this switch. So that is very simple only. So yeah, so you can go to aux channel and you can keep the channel 5 in SVC. That means you can click on this button so that you can put it like SVC. That is this button. So each position we can give one mode. Okay, so that's it. So now I'll just check it. So this is my throttle, this is my pitch, this is my aileron, roll. Okay, I can keep it like this is pitch, this is throttle, and this is yaw. Okay, then switch. So all is working. So just click on this, done. Okay, I guess now it is done. So what we need to do is we need to go here, go to flight modes. So you can see here, so first I'll keep it in a stabilize mode. Second one I'll keep it altitude hold, and third one I'll keep it land. Then I just click on save. Okay, so now what I will do, I will connect all these ESC cable wires as per the motor layout. I'll show the motor layout and I'll connect. Okay, so then we can place the propellers and we can fly this thing. Okay, now we need to connect the motors here. We need to connect the motors in this order. So this is the motor 1. So this CSC will go here and connected in this. So you can see motor 1, and make sure this ESC wire, black wire, is coming on top. So like this. So black wire, make sure it is coming on top. Okay, so this is the motor 1. Next, motor 2 is this one. So take the ESC from here, connect in same way. Same in this kind of cable also, same. That yellow should be down because that is the signal, like this. Next, 3, this one you can connect here. So I will tidy up later, but first I'm just showing you. This one also black should be. Next, 4th motor is this one. So should take ESC from here, make sure black is coming, and now we can connect the power module, and we can check the motor direction, correct or not. Okay, we'll do that. So now we need to look at the motor direction, and as per the layout, and we need to check the each motor rotation. So for that, first we need to connect this power module cable, okay, here, because we are powering through the battery now. Connect this one here, power module cable here, you can see here. power module. Okay, so connect. So now we need to check each motor direction. Okay, so each motor direction we need to adjust. So for that, first we need to connect the battery. Yeah. So to check it, first we need to calibrate the ESCs. Okay. To do that, what exactly we need to do is, before you connect the battery, you put this throttle to high, top like this, up. Okay. Then it will be blinking like this. That time you just hold this button. This switch button is there, right? So now it is blinking. You just hold it. It's supposed to come solid. Okay, I'll do it one more time. So keep your throttle up and connect this one. Just take a while. Yes. Now you can. So this is blinking. Just now it is calibrated. Now you bring it down. This one. So it's calibrated now. Now you give a throttle. So without calibrating, what will happen? Once your arm, it will start spinning. So that's why it's better to do the calibration. Now we check each and every motor direction as per the layout. Okay. So first motor should rotate counterclockwise. Let's see whether it is rotating counterclockwise or not. Yeah, it is rotating counterclockwise. No need to change anything. And this motor 3 should rotate clockwise. Yeah, this one also rotating clockwise. Then the second motor, this one, should rotate counterclockwise. Yeah, this one also rotating counterclockwise. Then the last one, the fourth motor, should rotate clockwise. Yeah, all motors are fine. In case if it is not rotating as per layout, what you can do, you can change any two of these cables so that the motor direction will change. Okay, so now all motor direction is proper, so we can place the propellers and we can do the flight test. Okay, so next I'll place the propellers.